Hey everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Dola AI when it's stuck on processing. A full guide for 2026. If your tasks aren't finishing or it's frozen mid-process, these steps will help. First, make sure your internet is stable. Dola AI needs a strong connection to process tasks. Try restarting your router, switching Wi-Fi networks, or using a wired connection. Next, refresh the page or restart Dola AI. Sometimes tasks get stuck temporarily, and a quick reload can clear the issue. If it's still stuck, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can interfere with processing, so clear cache, reload the page, and try your task again. Sometimes browser extensions or other apps can slow down Dola AI. Disable ad blockers, VPNs, or unnecessary background apps, then retry the task. Finally, try using a different browser or device, switching from Chrome to Edge or from PC to laptop can help identify if the problem is local or account-based, and that's it. These steps usually fix Dola AI stuck on processing. If it still doesn't work, contact support. They can check account-specific issues. Thanks for watching.